So we got Miura-san in the house and Jun from Hardcore Tokyo, and they're visiting from Japan. So we're gonna show them the cars. I got everything set up right here. Yeah, come in, come in.
Super sick.
This is Jun, everybody. Say hello.
Hello.
So this is my Cayman. I've been building this since 2015. So yeah, 2015, and it's almost done. You see this? Look, look. I'm making more aero parts.
Wow.
So I make it here at the house.
Wow, yourself?
Myself, yeah.
Wow.
Cut, sand, make brackets. So this one goes right here, under the bottom, yeah. Kind of same thing as the MIATA over there. What do you think?
Clean. Super clean.
It's crazy, yeah. It's
Wow.
crazy. I designed those wheels.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I couldn't find a good wheel, so I'm like, I'll just make my own wheel.
This is 3 pieces? 2 pieces?
Three?
Yeah.
3-piece, yep.
Nice tire.
That's 16, 12 and a half. 12,
Wow.
12 and a half. 285 tires, or 285 slicks.
Wow.
Crazy, huh? Look at the back.
To the Miata.
To a Miata. Look at that. That's wide, huh?
Wow.
That's crazy.
Stretching.
A little bit stretching, huh? It's like F1 stretch, you know?
Yes. Love this.
F1 stretch. And then, Jun, the taillight I made too. I designed the taillight.
Oh.
Hey, Miura-san. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, just put it right there. Thank you. It's a newspaper man.
Wow. Inside Hong Kong.
That's crazy, huh?
Wow.
Yeah, I basically restored everything. Look at, I'll show you the trunk.
Oh, so fun. So cute interior.
Look at this. Super clean, everything brand new.
Yes. Super clean here.
Yeah. So everything's been repainted. I bought new carpet from Japan.
Wow.
Everything's almost new. Yeah. Only thing original is this one right here.
Yes.
Everything else is brand new.
Everything. Super clean.
Yeah, huh?
Yes. Wow.
Not bad. Jin, look at the inside. Look at the interior right here. On this side. See? So I did plaid interior, CAE shifter, carbon fiber steering wheel.
Right.
It's just a lot of little details, but it adds up.
Super clean. Insane. Wow. Insane.
Right? 3 years. Everything's brand new, Jim. This is brand new. All the bolts. Even this one is brand new.
Yes.
You know? Miura-san, what do you think? It's many years since last time. What?
Can you styling?
Yeah.
styling here?
Yeah.
全然大丈夫だよって言うけど、これ金具のね中ね、中これ絶対タイヤハンドル切れないよな。
I'll show you that.
Complete?
Yeah,
Almost fix it, everything.
almost. Just need to do my engine stuff. What do you think, Jin? Pretty cool?
Never been seen in Japan. Never been seen. Okay, man, えぐいなこれ。えぐいっすね。
That's crazy, yeah.
It's badass.
Badass, dude.
これやべえっすよね。
You see this, Miura-san? Look. Brand new bolts. Everything. All here. Yeah, different types.
これえぐ。
Crazy, yeah.
Super badass this wing.
Yeah, the way I designed that took forever, but it's mounted straight to the chassis. Look at this.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Yeah.
まあそうっすよね。Wow.
That's crazy, yeah.
However,
Yeah, it took a while to design, but it's very solid. Very solid. Yeah, I think you could lift the whole car from the wing. You know, put it on a forklift, you could lift it.
Wow.
Yeah. And this is carbon fiber too.
What's this?
Oh, right here. Splitter.
Where?
Yeah, making new version. Ha! Like that. Huh? Crazy, huh? And then
Super crazy.
side plate, like this. Yeah. Which one do you like better?
Boss.
Miura-san, which one do you like better? Yeah. Japan builds crazier cars than this. No?
No.
This is crazier than what it.
Yes.
You hear that?
Yes.
He's saying that this is crazier than what he sees in Japan. Why?
Nobody.
Nobody will do it like this. What do you think? What do you think of the quality of the build?
Yes, super crazy.
Super clean?
Maybe blow up even the Matsuda guys, you know?
Yeah.
Company guys. Oh my god. ちょっと待って、another way.
I will know.
Yes, yes.
People do that. They come here and they like,
Yeah.
they flip it.
Yeah. Look at this.
Then the next day I'm like, what the? I know. No. So I just like,
Yeah.
I know.
But the Miura's a try one.
You wanna flip it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'll know. I'll know. So some of this stuff is going on the car, and some of them are just for display. So like the calipers and the brakes, that's going on the Porsche.
Oh.
Yeah, so those are
Oh, project.
Alcon.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, full like Alcon pieces and
Yeah.
some extra stuff.
This style is like my dad too.
Really?
Yes, super crazy. When I was a kid,
Yeah,
everything straight, you know.
I know. Me.
No carving.
Wow,
You know,
yeah,
no
yeah.
bending. Everything straight.
Even over there, see?
Yeah, everything straight. Yeah.
Yeah.
こうで
Miura-san's about to buy you a new motorcycle. Good, huh? Jun, you know how to ride?
Yup.
No?
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
そんなあるんだ。25もあるんや。
This is so funny, dude.